Creating AI-generated videos is simpler than you might think, and today I'm going to show you how to make a unique one, a hugging video, using just a few free AI tools. With nothing more than a couple of photos and some creativity, you can have a professional-looking video ready to go. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own AI video that stands out, whether it's for fun or profit. So, grab 2 photos, either personal ones or AI-generated, like I'll be using, and let's get started. Step 1. Generating AI photos with Leonardo AI. First things first, we need some images. You can use any of your own personal photos, but for this tutorial, I'll be generating AI photos to show you how it's done. Go to Leonardo AI and sign in. Let's create our first photo. Enter the prompt to generate an image of a businessman. Select the cinematic preset model in Leonardo AI for a realistic and cinematic feel. Hit Generate. Alright, here we go. I've got a bunch of results, and I think this one looks perfect. Let's download it. Now, let's generate a picture of a girl using a similar process. Enter the prompt, use the same cinematic settings, and hit Generate. These turned out pretty nice. Let's go ahead and download the first one from the set. Step 2. Making a consistent background. Now, here's the thing, if we take these 2 images as they are and try to create a video, the different backgrounds will make it look, well, messy. So, this next step is really important. We're going to make the backgrounds consistent. Open Microsoft PowerPoint, yes, PowerPoint. Import both of your AI-generated photos into the slide. Select one of the images, click on Picture Format, and choose Remove Background. By doing this, we can isolate the main subject from the background of one of the images. Once the background is removed, click Bring Forward to layer the backgroundless image on top of the other image. Adjust the position so it looks like they belong together. This makes the final output look much cleaner. After you've got them perfectly aligned, select both images, right-click, and choose Save as Picture to save this combined image to your computer. Step 3. Creating the AI video with Vidu AI. Now comes the fun part, creating the actual video. We're going to use a tool called Vidu AI for this. It's simple, and you even get 80 free credits each month, which means you can make around 20 videos. Head over to Vidu AI, sign up, and click Create Video. Upload the combined image you just saved. For the prompt, you can write something as simple as hugging each other, since we're aiming to make a hugging video. Hit Create and let Vidu AI do its magic. Now, keep in mind, with the free plan, the video might take around 5 minutes to generate, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Step 4. Reviewing the final AI video. And there it is. Our AI-generated hugging video is ready. Let's take a look at the final result. Pretty impressive, right? All of this was done using free AI tools, and it took hardly any time at all. You've got a personalized hugging video without ever having to film a single frame. And that's it. You've just created your very own AI-generated hugging video in just a few simple steps. Whether you're experimenting with AI for personal use or looking to create engaging content, these tools can make it all possible. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to use AI to boost your productivity and earnings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.